Now we're gonna test this device. 3, 2, 1. My name is Shield Curry, and this is my Rube Goldberg machine. The length of this machine is 58 centimeters, the width is 57.5 centimeters, and the height is 97.5 centimeters. The first operation is the golf ball rolling down this ramp, which then hits a marble, which then and then the marble knocks down a series of tree dominoes, which hits the marble at the end, and then the marble goes down this ramp and hits a series of 5 touching marbles, and the marble at the end moves at least 20 centimeters down this ramp, and then hits this wedge, which knocks over a series 2 touching marbles, and in one of the touching marbles, it goes at least 20 centimeters by going down this ramp, and then going down over here and hitting this marble, and both of these marbles will hit this last ball, which will then fall down, and because it is tied to this pulley, when it falls down, the latch will burst up and release all the marbles onto the paddle wheel, which will go at least 1 full rotation, which will then knock over this weight, and when this weight falls, the weight over here will get dragged down, and I am made of tree pulley system, so the weight over here gets lifted up at least 10 centimeters, which makes the weight over here push off, and once it falls off, the weight over here will go at least 20 centimeters horizontally, and when that happens, it will knock over this wedge that is holding in place a system of stored potential energy, and once the wedge is released, all the potential energy from this rubber band is converted into kinetic energy. And when it happens, it's tied, and it spins a wheel and axle. And when it happens, it's connected to a ball over here. And when it spins, it'll lift up in at least 10 centimeters. And when it lifts up, it will knock over this weight. And when this weight falls, because it's connected to a second-class lever, the second-class lever will lift up at least 10 centimeters vertically. And when it does, because it's connected to another piece of string, and it's connected to this wedge, the wedge will stop being golf ball right now. And once the string pulls away, the wedge will release the golf ball. And when that happens, the golf ball will fall into this pot, and when it falls into the pot, because of the weight, it will knock over this bottle, and when that happens, it'll start filling up this cup with the golf ball inside. And when that happens, it'll fill up until it goes at least 5 centimeters, and after 5 centimeters, the golf ball will fall down, hitting this third class lever. And when that happens, and it'll this dowel will go at least 10 centimeters vertically and hit this clip to release the string. And when the string is released, it will release this ball. And when the ball is released, it'll hit this board. And when it happens, it'll release the stop sign, and the stop sign will go above the project.